Hello everyone, all you are welcome in today's maths class. So dear students, today we are going to discuss about prime factorization. So students, we have already discussed about prime numbers, composite numbers and factors. So let us discuss again. After that we will move to the prime factorization. What is prime factorization and how to find the prime factors of a number. So what is factor? First the question arises here that what is factors? So a factor of a number divides a number exactly with 0 as a remainder. Okay, I will give you an example that if I am writing here 12. So what are the factors of 12? So as I said, a factor divides a number completely. Okay. If I will say that 1 is a factor of 12, then yes, 1 is a factor of 12, because if you will divide 12 by 1, then remainder remains 0. So it means 1 is a factor of 12. Okay. Now 2. If I will write here 2. So 2 is also a factor of 12, because if you will divide 12 by 2, then remainder remains 0. So whenever the remainder remains 0, so it means that number means divisor. That divisor is a factor of the dividend. Okay, like if we will take 3. So 3 also divides 12 completely. Remainder, because remainder is 0. If you will divide 12 by 3, then remainder remains 0, because 3 fours are 12. So 12 minus 12 0. So it means 3 is also a factor of 12. Then 4 is also a factor of 12. 5, 6, then 6 is a factor of 12. 5 is not a factor of 12, because if you will divide 12 by 5, then 5 2s are 10, then remainder here is 2. So it means whenever the remainder is left, then that number is not a factor of a number. So 5 is not a factor of 12, because remainder remains here. Okay. So 5 is not a factor of 12. 6. After 6, 12 is a factor of 12. So this is the way how to find the factor. I hope you all have understood that what is factors. Now let us move to the prime numbers. Okay. Let us move to the prime numbers. What is prime number? Prime number. So prime numbers are those numbers that have only two factors. Okay. Prime numbers are those numbers that have only two factors. Like if I will say 2. Factors we have already discussed, that what is factor and how to find the factors. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Only two factors. So it means 2 is a prime number. 3 also have only two factors, 1 and 3. So it means 3 is also prime number. Now 4, if I will write 4, then 4 have factor 1, 2 and 4. So look here, 4 has 3 factors. So it means 4 is not a prime number. Then what is 4? If 4 is not a prime number, then what is 4? So students, 4 is a composite number. Okay, 4 is a composite number. Composite number. So what is composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers that have more than two factors. More than two factors that number have, that is a composite number. Like 4. 4 is a composite number. Now 5 have only two factors, 1 and 5. So it means 5 is a prime number. Then 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it means 6 is a composite number. When we get more than two factors, then that number is a composite number. So I hope prime numbers and composite numbers everybody have understood. Factors, prime numbers, composite numbers. Now let us move to the prime factorization. First of all, we will discuss what is prime factorization. Prime factorization means factorization in which every number is prime is called prime factorization of a number. What I am saying, factorization in which every number is prime is called prime factorization of a number. Let us take an example. If I will write write here 12. Then write the prime factorization of 12. So how to write the prime factorization of 12? So as I said, the definition of prime factorization in which every number is prime. Okay, every number is prime. So look here, the factorization of 12. How to find the factorization of 12? So here two methods to find the prime factorization. One is factor tree method and second is division method. One is factor tree method and second one is division method. Okay, these are two methods, factor tree method and division method to find the prime factorization. So in factor tree method, the shape of the factor tree is like a shape of this Christmas tree. In this type of tree we will make in a factor tree method. Okay, so in factor tree method the shape of factors is like a tree. Okay, so we will write here 12. Now we will find here the factors of 12. So factors of 12 we know 2, 6 are 12. So it means 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. So we can write here 2, 6 are 12. So write 2 here in this circle and 6 in this circle. 2, 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. But in factor tree method, okay, we have to find the factors until we get the prime numbers. So look here, 2 is a prime number, but 6 is not a prime number because 6 has more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 has 4 factors. So 6 is a composite number. So now we have to break 6 again. Okay, because 6 is a composite number. And as I told you that we have to break a number until we get prime numbers. So we have to break again 6. Okay, so 6, we know the factors of 6 are 2 3s are 6. So just write down here 2 and write down here 3. Now look here, 2 and 3. This 2 is a prime number and this 3 is a prime number. So now no need to break again because we get the prime numbers now. Now this 2, take it down here, 2. So it means now multiply these three numbers, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So these three numbers, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, this is the prime factorization of 12. Okay, so 12 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. This is the prime factorization of 12 through factor tree method. Now let us do the prime factorization of 12 by division method. Okay, in division method we will write 12 in this way. Now we have to divide 12 by a prime number. We have to divide 12 by a prime number. So firstly we will start from 2. Okay, because 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not prime, neither composite. Why? Because 1 have only one factor, and the condition of prime factor is that a prime factor has 2 factors. So 1 is neither prime nor composite because 1 has only one factor. So don't divide 12 by 1. Divide 12 by prime numbers only. So 2 is a prime number. So divide 12 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So write down 6 here. 6 is a quotient. So write down the quotient under 12. Okay, and divisor here. Now we have to divide 6. How to divide 6? Again, divide 6 by 2. If 6 is divisible by 2, then divide by 2. If 6 is not divisible by 2, then you can divide by 3. Then you can divide by 5. Okay? So now we will divide 6. Don't divide 6 by 6 because 6 is a composite number. We have to divide here the numbers only by prime numbers. Okay? So 6. We have to divide 6 by 2 again. 2 3s are 6. Now 3. Now here it is 3. So 3 is not divisible by 2. So we will take now 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So we have to write here 3. 3 ones are 3. Now look here, these three numbers 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime. This is the prime factorization. Okay. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. If you will multiply these three numbers, then you get 12. Like 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is the answer. Let us take now 34. So firstly we will find the prime factorization by factor tree. After that we will find the prime factorization by division method. So here, look here, this is a 34. Firstly we will divide 34 by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then we will divide. If it is not divisible by 2, then we will move to the next prime number. Next prime number is 3. After that next prime number is 5. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number because 4 has more than 2 factors. Now we will divide 34 by 2 and 2 17s are 34. 2 17s are 34. Okay. Now look here, 2 is a prime number and 17 is also prime number. Okay. No need to break the number again because 17 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. So that's all. So the prime factorization of 34 is equal to 2 into 17. If you will multiply these two numbers, then you get 34. Now let us do the prime factorization through division method. 34, we will divide 34 by firstly 2. We will start, every time we will start division by 2 because 2 is the first prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, one more thing I will tell you. 2 is only one even prime number. Other prime numbers are odd. Only 2 is the even prime number. So we will start from 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, then we will move to the next prime number. So 2 17s are 34. Now 17 is also a prime number. So prime number is divisible by only that itself. So we will divide 17 by 17. 17 ones are 17. So prime factorization of 34 here is 2 into 17. This is answer. Let us take one more example for better understanding. Let us take a bigger number 72. First of all, we will divide 72 by 2 because 72 is divisible by 2. So 2 36 is 72. Okay. 2 36 is 72. Now 2 is a prime number, but 36 is not a prime number. 36 is a composite number because 36 has more than 2 factors. So we have to break 36 again. Okay. Again break 36. We have to write the factors of 36 again. Okay. So if 36 is divisible by 2, then divide 36 again by 2. So factors of 36, 2 18s are 36. Now look here again. 2 is a prime number, but 18 is not a prime number. 18 is a composite number. So we have to break again 18. So again, if 18 is divisible by 2, then take 2 again. So 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now look here, 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite number. So again break 9. So 3 3s are 9, we know. 3 3s are 9. Now these prime numbers, just take it down here. 2, this 2 and this 2. Now multiply these prime numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So this is the prime factorization of 72. 72, prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 2 2 3 multiply 3. If you will multiply all these numbers, then you will get 72. Look here, 2 2s are 4. The product is 4. So multiply the next number by the product of previous. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So this is the way. Check your answer that your answer is correct or not. Just multiply these prime numbers. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 72. Now let us do the prime factorization by division method. 72. First of all, we will divide. We will start from 2. Okay, because 2 is the smallest prime number. So 2, if it is divisible by 2, then divide 2 by 72. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. It is 36. Now again, if 36 is divisible by 2, then divide by 2. So 2 18s are 36. Okay, just write down here the quotient. Okay, now 18 again divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will move to the next prime number. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now 3 left here and 3 is divisible by 1. 3 1s are 3. So we have to divide, we have to follow this division method until we get 1. Okay, when we will get here 1, then stop here. Okay, so these are the prime factors. This is the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Look here, in prime factorization tree, we also get this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And in division method, we also get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so these are the two methods to find the prime factorization of any number. I hope all of you have understood. So students, see you again. We will meet again in the next session with a new topic. Till then, take care.